Hi, my name is James, and I'm a client of Davis, Saperstein Salomon. I would like to say thank you to Sam and his entire legal team, case managers and staff, for their excellent and quality service that they provided for me. Sam even came and visited me in the hospital. What a wonderful, uplifting experience that was. It encouraged me to fight through the pain and fight through the injuries, knowing that I'll get back on my feet soon. So I truly thank them for taking the time to not only represent me, but also keep me fully informed on all of the matters going on in court, all the different things I needed to do with my doctors and treatments, and to making sure that I get back on my feet, back to work, and back to my career. I truly want to say thank you to the whole staff and the whole team at Davis, Saperstein Salomon. They took great care of me when I didn't know what to expect and helped guide me through the processes. I am so overwhelmed and thankful that I had a team like this behind me. Thank you.